They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
But here we have it, man. Regular Adidas box, no special boxing with these. Traditional trefoiled. Here we have it. The Yung-1 orange freezer. Spots and patches right here, little spacing, and these definitely have that. If you guys are Dragon Ball Z fans and stuff like that, this is definitely a shoe I would recommend. Aside from that, man, these on feet look crazy. These look crazy. Let me get them up close shots. There you guys have it. Here's the sole. As I said, like a bulky dad shoe sole. A bit of a lighter orange than the actual shoes orange. You know, kind of like a tiger stripe vibe. That's the vibe you get with these when you see them in person, especially. Sun hit them real quick. They definitely, in my opinion, hit a homer with this one. This idea, this concept, giving Nike a run for his money. That yellow, man, is like a vibe. Here is the red, navy, blue one. This one is also early release. This one's a size 12. I have a size 12 and 13 available if you guys are interested. Like I said earlier, at Complex Ambition, that supplies the Instagram. I mean, compare them side by side to these, and you tell me. Now let's have a quick debate if you guys would like. In your opinion, compare both of these. These are the Yung-1 models. This is the freezer, the orange ones, and this is the red one. They call it red orange, something like that. I guess because it's kind of like a reddish orange. Not that red of an orange, in my opinion. I would just call these bitches the NBAs. I don't know, something that goes with red and blue. It's a perfect red and blue shoe, in my opinion. It's kind of like an off-whitish. Shout out to Virgil. Kind of beige. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get a little bit up close. I'm gonna get it up close with you guys. You guys give me your opinion. Man. Early release. You know what I'm saying? Got these basically a month ahead. General release happening a little bit more towards the end of the month of June. That's on y'all to decide if you're gonna cop these. I would recommend them to rock. I couldn't get my size neither of these, but these are definitely available if interested. But these do have more of an everyday feel. You know what I'm saying? Let me take the laces out, get the whole vibrations. And I stated in my video, my separate video to the freezers, I stated that the trefoil on the tongue is my favorite part of the shoe. Especially on these, you can kind of get like that USA vibe. That's what the fucking you should call these, the USAs. You can see the suede here. You know what I'm saying? Rubber sole. Kind of mesh right here. This right here is a regular stripes that they do on the EQTs as well. That's why these have like that EQT vibe. You know what I'm saying? Regular laces. You know which ones you guys would rather rock? In general, would you even rock this model in a different colorway? Are you a fan of this model but just not a fan of the colorway? Let me know, man. Yeah, look at the soles, man. The soles give a tickle to my soul. Oh my god. They did a good job with these, man. Adidas is stepping up the game. The competition with Nike is on another level. But like I said, comment down below if you guys are interested in buying these. They're available. Let me know how you guys feel. Separate videos, here are a couple photos as well in comparison. Separate videos will be up to both of these if interested. But man, look at the vibes. You tell me. They do smell amazing. Wow. They smell like Nikes.
Okay, out of my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top.